Hello, my wonderful and lovely people. Welcome back to my page. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I make this delicious, amazing, fresh carrot juice. But before we get started, let me introduce you to the ingredients. So, let's get started. Here we have some orange. Orange is rich in vitamin C. Next, we have lemon. Lemon helps to detox our body. Apple is loaded with vitamin C and fiber. Ginger promotes heart health. We have carrots. Carrots are also highly nutritious and cleaning due to the high fiber content. So the next, I'm going off camera to wash and prep them. Now I'm done prepping the fruits. Look at how neat, clean, beautiful they looks like. So the next thing is to start juicing the fruits. If you don't have a juicer, you can also use a blender to make your own juice. So here I'm using my juicer. It is important to work with fresh fruits because frozen fruits and vegetables won't juice properly. Please, if today is your first time of coming across this page, a warm welcome to you. Please don't forget to follow this page, like, share, and comment to be notified whenever I upload a new video. And to my returning subscribers, a very big thank you and remain blessed. And we are done. Our carrot juice is ready. It can be served immediately or chilled. Guys, this juice tasted so super delicious. And it is packed with a lot of nutrients and other essential minerals. After trying out this recipe, you will stop buying from the store. Always remember, health is wealth, and homemade juice is the best. Hope you find this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching and remain blessed. See you on my next video. Bye.